recipe that I found from Stovetop Kisses. I love her channel. Go check her out. So I'm using some oil. You need some melted butter, about a stick and a half right here. Get you a Pillsbury, what's it called? Grand's Pillsbury Doughboy, about $1.80. Got mine from Dollar General. You're gonna need some garlic powder, some honey, and some Italian seasoning. All right, so here's my melted butter, and don't forget your cheese. You need the cheese now, okay? So I have my my melted butter right here. I'm gonna go ahead on and put my garlic powder in there. I'm not gonna measure. I'm just gonna shake it on in there. Okay, I'm putting a lot in there. Make it nice and garlicky. All right. Okay, next I'm gonna add about a half a cup here of this Italian seasoning. You know what, you guys? I don't really measure. I just throw it in, so. Woo! Taking me a long time to throw it in. Let me add another one of these. It's a little arm workout going on right here. Guys, think about Red Lobster biscuit, but this is on crack. It's like 10 times better. All right, I think that's enough. Okay. Alright guys, just gonna whisk this up, this little quick batter that I made here. Alright. Get ready to take out your Pillsbury biscuits. Okay, and then you're just gonna put some honey in, guys. You don't have to add this, but I want to add it, so I'm gonna add my honey in. Have fun with it. Alright, so you're gonna put this to the side. This is gonna be like a yummy little batter right here, right? Now put this to the side. And I'm gonna get going with the biscuits. Now I should have put this on video because I popped it open and I jumped. It was so scary. But anyway, let's start taking these yummy biscuits out, girl. And guys, hold up, clean my plate off, right? Taking these biscuits out. Look how they just roll right out, baby. I haven't had these in a long time. Baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Alright, now, so what Stovetop Kisses did is she split each one of these in half. So I'm going to go ahead on and start just splitting them in half. So that they're, you know, so here's one. I'm gonna split it in half. Bam. I'm gonna lay that on my plate right here. Okay. Here's another one. Wait a minute. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna split this one here in half. Like that. Put these to the side. Alright, I'm going to do the same with this one. Okay, let me move my plate over here so you guys can see. There we go. Split this in half. Make sure you wash your hands. You might get sick, especially because it's Corona season. So I'm finally done. It came out to, I believe, 16 pieces. I have them all right here and one right here on my cutting board. Let's get to the next step, baby. Make sure that you have you one of these. If you don't have one, you just get you a little, you know, a little spoon. No big deal. All right? Keep it simple. Keep it cheap. All right, guys. So what you want to do is right here. I got this first, and I'm just gonna flatten it out, stretch it out a little bit, like I'm doing right here. I'm gonna take my little let me get some space. Take my little mixed batter right here. Okay, use my brush. Brush it on like this. All right, and then I'm gonna put my cheese inside. So I have a bowl of cheese right here. Get a handful of cheese, put it inside. Okay, and it's kind of like making dumplings. Just gonna roll it on up. Roll it right on up. Do like this in your hand, and you're all set. You're good to go. So yeah, so that's it. You're gonna do this the whole time, all the way till you're done. All right, I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna move on to the next one. Down to my last two biscuits. I'm just gonna put some butter on it like this. Y'all, look at how good. Oh my gosh, I swear. I'm probably about to eat like 4 of them tonight. You should have a lot of leftover butter like I do. I have a whole lot right here, so. Time for the cheese. I just fold it up like that. Fold the next side. Squeeze it a little bit. And then just roll it in my hand. Bam. Done. You want the next one? You guys, this doesn't take long. I did 16 and I probably did 16 in about 15 minutes. Okay? That's a lot. It looks like a lot of cheese, guys, but some might fall out. And it's all good. It's all good if it falls out. It is what it is. Alright, so squeeze it at the top. Right? Roll it up in my hand. And I'm done. I'm gonna put this cheese back, but I'm done. On to the next step. I'm gonna butter my the frying pan that I'm gonna use. Guys, get ready to get your butter stick out. Whatever you have, spray it down if you wanna. Okay guys, so all you're going to do here is just start placing your biscuits in your greased pan, and just make sure they're touching each other. That way they won't spread, they'll rise, because you want them to stick together. The goal is for them to stick together and rise. So just watch, make sure you're just putting them in and they're sticking together. Try to use like a 10-inch pan or any pan that's not that big, and this is gonna come out, I swear, no lie, you guys, so good.
So you're gonna take some of the batter you have left over, spread it on top. On top of each of your cheesy biscuits. Okay, you're gonna keep doing this.
Next, I'm gonna use the cheese that I have and sprinkle some more on top. Okay, so you're gonna put this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes on 350 degrees. Make sure you preheat your oven first. 350 degrees. All right, so these bad boys are about to go in right now, and they look so good. All right, y'all, this is about to go right in the oven. Come with me, come with me. Let's put it in the oven together. Bam. All right, 20 to 25 minutes. All right, guys, and because I'm extra, I'm gonna put the rest of this butter up here on each one. Okay, just gonna throw it up here. Let it melt. Let it do what it do. All right. Since you're inside, why not cook? It's healthier. Cook for yourself. You know, nobody coughing over it. Nobody have COVID over it. Cook for yourself. And that's facts. Big facts, right, babe? Mm-hmm. I got my boo here holding the camera, y'all. Throwing the butter up here. Hold on. We're gonna get this right. Ah! I burned myself, guys. Shit! Alright, got a little bit of butter left. I'm gonna just use the rest of it up. And this was one stick of butter that I used. You don't want to do too much butter because you know that's not really too healthy for you, especially somebody like me. I have to really be mindful of my sodium intake. Throw a little bit of sharp cheddar on the top, just a little dusting. Be a little extra. And it is all done. You are now ready to eat. So good. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. That should be enough. Now let's try this out. Let's take a piece. All right. This is gonna be my piece right here. Mmm. Woo! This is gonna be good. This is how it should look. Cheese all inside there, y'all. It's so hot, so I can't really pull it apart like that, but y'all, it is blazing. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video. Subscribe for more lit content. Let me know what else you want to see. And stay lit. Look at this. Bye.